Holy smokes, for a 20-year-old bit, this thing's a cleaner cut than that freshie. Old school quality, baby. Hey, what's going on, you tubulars? EXO coming at you here, wasting no time with another build video. Thanks for being here, guys. I hope you're feeling good, staying healthy this summer. Today is the day we finally finished the Subwoofer Baffle. Yes! It was so exciting last time to see the layout finally come together, test fitted and propped up. Gotta love those visuals. So let's resume where we left off, get that baffle yanked out of there, and start stacking up more layers. Wow, that's really smooth. When I glued the first two layers together, the PL left a little bit of residue on that crack, and I'm just sanding that down. It's like a little oily residue, and it's taking it off so easily. This is what I'm talking about right here. It's kind of like a little oil slick. That'll definitely affect the wood glue sticking from layer to layer, so that comes off right now. With everything all cleaned up, the current double baffle is ready for another layer of beef. Each piece gets stacked offset from the last one, and the stars of the show are sitting stateside. Gushy. There we go, another layer added up, nice and flush. Now it's time to move on to the subwoofer cutouts. Now, if you remember, we just friggin' laid into these one after another months ago, but we cut them undersized. I just used my jigsaw to get a rough cut because for this very day, I knew would come. You see that little ledge hanging over the sides right there? We're gonna make them perfectly flush just like we did on that side just a second ago with our fancy new bit. Man, it feels great to have something really sharp that cuts through like butter. Oh, yeah, now that's a rewarding result if I ever saw one. I'm doing about 3 holes each time and then giving the router a break. I've seen so many videos of people smoking these things. I don't want to go down that road. Alright, fast forward the hard part and we got some more sub holes all trimmed out, looking beautiful. I love how it makes it perfect no matter what. So you could have an oblong, ugly looking hole, and that bit just makes it come together. So we've got some more over there that need to be layered on top of this. We're staggering as we go. You can see the seam is right there. So the next layer will have a full sheet of wood covering past this point to make it nice and strong as we stagger. So I'm not gonna waste any more time. I'm just gonna keep layering as we go. I think I've come to a conclusion that I'm gonna do a 4-layer baffle instead of 5, and then just brace to high heaven. 4 layers thick should be more than enough with how much steel I plan on bracing up with. So real quick, something that really helps me out is getting all the screws pre-sunk before I add glue, because that type on 3 or 2, I can't remember which one it is, but it sets up pretty fast and you end up needing a little bit extra time. So I like to go around with my drill and just pre-ream every single spot. You know, say if I needed to locate some of these screws and just make it kind of a nice little pattern, doing that while the glue is there is just a waste of time. So I do it before the glue is there. That way I can get my bolt patterns perfectly, and then just go ahead and go wing, 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 right down the line. Aw man, I wasn't even recording that first bit. Well, I started around the perimeter, so let's just do the rest of the time lapse for what it's worth. See how much time that saved? It was like 23 minutes on the camera. Not too bad. There we go, another layer stacking high, freaking oozing and goozing onto the floor below it. Ah, the beautiful floors. But that's okay, man. Like, check this out. I moved into this shop, freaking already all decked out with epoxy flooring. Get this little scraper. Check that out. The glue comes up so easily. Brand new fresh floor. Gotta love that coating. But I guess there's no sense in cleaning up all the way right now. We've got some more dust to start slinging. Let's get this router back to work and get these holes nice and flush again. Man, this thing is boiling hot. It's crazy after just, what, 2 passes? I don't know if they downgraded the motors on this thing, but I can barely touch it on that housing there. Well, and there we have it. Flush trimming is complete. I'm glad I have that round over from my dad's old toolbox. I'm gonna use that for the tops here so I can get even more breathability around the baskets. Holy smokes, for a 20-year-old bit, this thing's a cleaner cut than that freshie. That just goes to show that old school quality, baby. course, the DeWalt can't even hang, getting freaking overheated already. Take a quick break, I guess. So there we go, a great, nice, rewarding day. Hope you enjoyed today's YouTube video. Just wanted to conclude you guys in on what's going on. Thank you for being here. Thanks for shopping at good old Showtime Electronics. I'm gonna be heading out to the Sundown audio show coming up soon, so hope to see you guys there too. Feeling super accomplished today with these awesome roundovers, 4-layer baffle. Let's see how heavy this thing is. See if I can lift it up by myself right now. Oh, that's not too bad. Look at that, I'm lifting it up. It's probably about 150 pounds. I've done all my calculations, and if they're accurate, this should be right around that mark. We've been keeping tabs the whole way. Thank you guys for subscribing, clicking the thumbs up, and doing all that YouTube jazz. I will see you in the next video. Haha, EXO signing out.